Excuse me, but I need to talk to you about breasts.
1986 was the year it all began. Our founder was Nancy Rayburn Paul, and Nancy had a vision to create a specific foundation that would really focus on breast cancer research.
There was a wonderful core group within the city of women, people who were involved in everything that was community related. And that group of women were really, really the movers and shakers within the city, and they accomplished a lot.
We were all friends. It was fun to do.
I was the only male in the original group in setting up the foundation, and I'm quite proud of that fact.
We really feel that the Canadian Breast Cancer Foundation brought breast cancer out of the closet.
One didn't say the word breast in public.
The small steps, certainly in the early days, were the women who had a breast cancer diagnosis who went public.
My dear husband's first wife, had died at the age of 41 of breast cancer and left 3 children behind. Those children became mine. And his personal journey was a constant fear of which one of these children was going to have breast cancer.
In the beginning, there was no funding available for researchers who were doing work in breast cancer.
It was a matter of creating a foundation, an organization that would first and foremost raise money for breast cancer research, but also raise education and awareness. The Canadian Breast Cancer Foundation, and certainly in the early days, 25 years ago, was volunteer created, volunteer driven, and volunteer administered.
We owe it to ourselves to at least make the effort to do our little part.
The important thing is the large number of women who are so active in the foundation now, both in fundraising and in educating the public about breast cancer.
I was always attracted to try to create some new way, some new event, some new vehicle of raising funds to raise awareness and to raise money towards breast cancer research.
And when we created the run for the cure, then it just took off.
It was a great way of reaching out to so many people.
Women, men, children, babies, dogs, everyone runs.
And I think the beauty of the run is that everybody can get out there and participate. Every age, sex, nationality, it didn't matter.
And there was a chemistry there to be part of something bigger than all of us.
The issue here is people's lives, not just the women that are affected.
Now when you hear these stories, the success stories, and unfortunately the stories of the women who have not survived breast cancer, I think that those steps forward, the public profile of the disease, the public profile of the courage of the women who have had a diagnosis of breast cancer, the wonderful success stories of the survivors that are just incredible stories of an example of courage to all of us.
Keep going, keep doing what you're doing, because the only things that count are the lives that are saved and the lives that are lengthened.